Okay, we're in AgenticFlow. Let's connect DeepSeek-R1. It's rank 4 globally, now available here through Pixel ML OpenRouter or your own key. Now, a new agent using DeepSeek. We'll call it Test DeepSeek-R1 May 28th. In the editor, we switch the model to DeepSeek Reasoner. Save, and it's ready. Let's give it a first test. A simple, "Hi, can you introduce yourself?" And DeepSeek-R1 provides a comprehensive introduction about its capabilities. Now, let's enhance our agent by adding a generate image skill through a workflow. With that in place, we'll ask, "Hi DeepSeek-R1, using your new skill, can you generate an image of yourself?" It processes the request, runs the workflow, and impressively visualizes itself as an AI. Very cool. We can take this further. Let's connect Pinterest using an MCP. With Pinterest MCP Sean added and saved, we'll instruct it. "Hi, I've added Pinterest. Can you post this image to my new board?" Providing the specific board ID. The agent confirms and successfully creates the pin. Popping over to Pinterest, a quick refresh of our Test DeepSeek board. And there it is, the AI-generated image, complete with its description, posted automatically. Back in AgenticFlow, this is where it gets really powerful. We'll ask, "Nice, can you document that entire process for me?" DeepSeek-R1 then outlines the complete workflow for image generation and posting. We'll take this detailed guide and set it as the agent's core instruction in the system prompt. One final save, and our agent is now pre-programmed for this entire task.